Welcome to my channel. Netgear WN3000RPv3 Installation Guide. Remove the WN3000RPv3 from its packaging and make sure you have the necessary accessories like the power adapter. Connect the extender to a power outlet in the same room as your router. Wait for the power LED to turn green, indicating it is ready. On your smartphone or computer, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for a network called Netgear_EXT. Select it to connect. Once connected, open a web browser. In the address bar, type www.mywifiext.net and press enter. This will take you to the Netgear extender setup page. You'll be asked to create an account if it's your first time using the extender. Enter your details, such as username, password, and email. The extender will scan for available networks. Find your home Wi-Fi network from the list and select it. Input your home Wi-Fi network's password when prompted. This connects the extender to your router. Once the setup is complete, disconnect your device from the original Wi-Fi network and connect to the newly extended network, the one with _EXT in the name. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the location is within range of the router's signal. Thank you for watching.